Good morning, my dear student and parents. Today we are going to celebrate International Yoga Day in our school. Yoga refers to a spiritual discipline that includes meditation, exercise, physical postures and breathing techniques. It is done to improve physical health and mental health, relaxation and overall well-being of human beings. Yoga is an Sanskrit word which means connection or a union. It is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, means connection, union or to join or to unite. Yoga is an invaluable gift of Indian ancient tradition. It embodies the unity of mind and body through an action, retain and meditation. It embodies the unity of mind and body through an action, retain and fulfillment. Harmony between man and nature. A holistic approach to health and hospitality. It is not only about the exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with you. The beginning of yoga was developed by Indus Saraswati civilization in northern India before 5000 years ago. The word yoga was mentioned in the first old text, the Rig Vedas. The Vedas were the collection of texts contains songs, mantras and the rituals which were used by the Brahmins, the Vedic priest. Originally, the idea of International Yoga Day was firstly proposed by our present Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27 September 2014. He stated that yoga is an invaluable gift by our Indian ancient tradition. Then the United Nations General Assembly declared 21st June as an International Yoga Day. The international aim of the Yoga Day was to create an awareness among the youth worldwide of many benefits of practicing yoga. Not only this, but with the time passing by it was also seen that practicing of yoga had and still have medical benefits. It helps in curing many diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, physical injuries and chronic pain. It has been practiced in India from the centuries. Now, yoga had also found its way to the Western world. In a recent decade, yoga had really become very popular outside the India, and many other cultures had embodied yoga in their routine life. International Yoga Day theme of every year from 2015, Yoga for Harmony and Peace. 2016, Connect the Youth. 2017, Yoga for Health. 2018, Yoga for Peace. 2019, Yoga for Heart.